Alright, are you ready for the most straightforward soup recipe imaginable? Let's make some creamy corn soup. Start with a can of broth or a teaspoon of bouillon, a can of sweet corn creamy style, and 2 eggs. Start out by mixing in the broth and the creamy corn in a pot and bring to a boil. While you're waiting for everything to boil, beat 2 eggs. We're effectively making egg drop soup with corn in it, but the creamed corn already has cornstarch in it, so you don't have to make a slurry and we're skipping a couple steps. So at the point when it's boiling or near boil, it should be a kind of bubbly ooze consistency because of that cornstarch. When adding the egg, just drop a little bit and keep stirring and drop a little bit in. If you add a little too fast, you'll end up getting like a custard on your hands, but in this way you keep getting those strands instead. And that is pretty much it. If you want, you can add some chopped cilantro, some green onion. You can even add some ham or bacon if you want. In this case, I'm just adding some white pepper. The world's your oyster at this point. I pretty much ate this on the regular after school. What about you?